Alright guys, so naingit tayo sa mga pyro creators sa YouTube. Gagawa rin tayo ng atin. So this is your Anthrop man. Alright, unahin natin to. For sure 3,000 rounds, regular lang. Ito Sputnik Silver, yan ko. Itong dalawa galing kay Rosalie. Ito Peacock. Then this America 36 rounds, 36 shots. Harley Quinn 100 shots. Apollo, to halos mahirap na maghanap nito, 16 shots. Meron tayong dalawang 3-minute fountains, Wealth Everywhere, galing to kay RJ Fireworks. Ito kay Fang Fang Jilly, galing kay Elvin Navarro. This one Fortune Fountain, Apollo, Harley Quinn, America, Eros na 16 shots. Tsaka itong Peacock, galing to kay SRC Fireworks. Ito nakabalot to, hindi ko nabubuksan to, pero ang laman nito yung mga stash nung 2022 sa puro whistle bomb to, Konde. So ito naman 1,000 rounds, 1,000 rounds Konde Sawa. Ito kay Resty Tutoy Striker Og Thunder, 1,000 rounds. So you see the difference here, how big this one than this. So yan ulit yung 3,000 rounds Sawa. So yan lang.